Hey guys, it's Shelly, and you know I love to craft. And recently I got my hands on this xTool heat press machine 3-in-1 kit, which was gifted to me for my honest review. And if you're into personalizing t-shirts or DIY projects like I am, then definitely listen up to this review because it's going to be for you. So, alright, here's what's inside. There's a wireless control pod, a mini heat press, the smart heat press with a good sized 12 by 10 inch plate, and this smart press platform that makes hand-free pressing an option. Everything feels sturdy and well thought out. It's got all the basics covered for heat transfers and sublimation. So setting it up was surprisingly easy. The control pod connects wirelessly, which I didn't realize would be such a game changer. There's no tangled wires to deal with. Adjusting the temperature and time is super quick and easy. You could even save your favorite settings so you don't have to keep remembering what setting for what type of vinyl. It's going to save me so much time for sure. So I'm going to press a few designs. They did send me some of this beautiful glitter HTV vinyl, and it is so pretty in so many different colors. I hope you can see the sparkle in this video, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It weeded like a dream, no problems at all. But you can dial it in depending on the material you're using, which means no more guessing. So it's nice to know I'm not overpressing or underdoing it. And this thing heats up so fast. It goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat is super even across the plate. I've used other presses before, so many others, and sometimes you get hot spots or patches where the vinyl doesn't stick, but not with this one. It's been pretty consistent, and you can see how great all this stuff is turning out. Clean edges, no gaps, and the colors really pop, especially on this glitter vinyl that they send me or that they sent me. They also gave me this mini heat press, which is great for smaller stuff or on the go. It's super handy for things like hats or adding designs to sleeves. Honestly, it's nice not having to lug out the big heat press for such tiny little projects, or like I said, if you go to craft shows or something, it's great to take it with you. One thing I noticed, it shuts off automatically if you forget to turn it off after a while, so that's such a relief, especially if you're like me and get distracted halfway through a project. All in all, I'm super happy with how easy this heat press is to use. It doesn't feel intimidating, and I love that it's wireless and versatile. Whether you're customizing shirts or working on smaller crafts, it gets the job done without any fuss.